So students, let's discuss the topic India and the world. So in terms of India, if we are going to talk of, India is having the central location. India is having what? It is having the central location between East and West Asia. Let's see this point with reference to Asia. You can see this continent Asia. India क्या है? It is having central location. Central part में situated है किसके? Between the East and the West Asia. This direction it would be termed as East of Asia and this part it would be termed as West of Asia. और India क्या है? India is centrally situated between East and West Asia. Then other than that, India is actually the southward extension of the Asian continent. Let's see this point with the help of directions again. इस part को आप क्या बोलोगे? This would be termed as north. This would be termed as south. This part would be termed as west. And over here it would be termed as east. तो इंडिया एक्चुअली क्या है? इट इज़ द साउथवर्ड एक्सटेंशन ऑफ एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट. देन द ट्रांस इंडियन ओशन रूट्स दे कनेक्ट द कंट्रीज ऑफ यूरोप इन द वेस्ट. यू कैन सी ओवर है दैट ओशंस दोज आर देयर. तो दीज ओशंस दे आर डूइंग व्हाट? दे आर कनेक्टिंग इंडिया टू यूरोप इन द वेस्ट and countries of East Asia. This part, countries of East Asia, they provide a strategic central location to India. Other than that, if you are going to see India specifically, towards south of this India, this is what? This is Deccan Peninsular region. ये हमने second chapter में भी डिटेल में पढ़ा था. The Deccan Peninsula. This Deccan Peninsula is protruding into the Indian Ocean. What is the meaning of this protruding? Protruding means it is sticking to the Indian Ocean. And what this has done, it has helped India to establish a contact with West Asia. यहाँ से oceans के through आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can be reaching West Asia. Then even these ocean routes that can be used for traveling from India to Africa. Then other than that, it has also established the contact with Europe. So these oceans that can be used by India for traveling from India to various parts of the world. ठीक है? इस पार्ट से यहाँ से अगर जाओगे टूवर्ड्स दिस साउथ ईस्ट एशिया, इंडिया के साउथ ईस्ट से अगर आप जाओगे तो यहाँ से क्या होगा? इट वुड बी हेल्पफुल इन एस्टैब्लिशिंग द कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ इंडिया विद दिस ईस्ट एशिया. ठीक है? तो इंडिया ने क्या किया है? दीज ओशंस हैव कनेक्टेड इंडिया थ्रू द वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Other than that, one more point that we had done over here was about the naming of this Indian Ocean. Why is Indian Ocean named after India only? That is, Indian Ocean is named after India. Reason for that is no other country is having such a vast coastline exposed to the Indian Ocean. Coastline कौन सा region हो गया? This region. तो no other country is having such a vast coastline exposed to it. Other than that, we have also discussed the statement over here that was India's contact with the world has continued through ages, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. How this was possible? For this we had discussed various points. So the first point that we had discussed over here was that is the various passes which are there. What these various passes have done, कहाँ पे situated है ये various passes? In the north. These various passes in the north, they provided passage to the ancient travelers. ठीक है, इन passes ने क्या किया? They have provided the passage to the ancient travelers. किस चीज के लिए पैसेज प्रोवाइड किया? फॉर एक्सचेंज ऑफ आइडियाज एंड कमोडिटीज. These passages which are there, they have provided the passage for exchange of ideas and commodities. Now let's discuss few of the examples. Which ideas are being taken from India to various parts of the world? So those ideas are of Upanishads. Other than that, Ramayana. Then Panchtantra. And most importantly, Indian numerals and decimal system. These are being taken from India to various parts of the world. अब अगर commodities की बात करें तो which commodities are being taken from India to various parts of the world? Especially you might be knowing that India is famous for spices. So those spices are being taken from India to various parts of the world. Other than spices, muslin, that is being taken from India to various parts of the world. Now what is this muslin? This muslin is actually a fabric. अब ये तो हमने बात करी कि इंडिया से क्या गया various parts में. Now what India has taken from various parts of the world? That is, in India you can see the influence of Greek sculpture. That can be seen in India. किस चीज में दिख सकता है? It can be seen in domes and minarets. It can be seen in India. So this is how India is able to establish the contact with the world through the maritime. That is, जब proper sea routes, land routes से develop नहीं हुए थे, उससे पहले भी क्या हुआ था? The land which is there in the north, that was used by ancient travelers for traveling from India to various parts of the world.